Hey guys, I don't know which video is gonna come first, but this one is getting there. Anywho, I have finally fixed every single problem I've ever had with this tractor, and it was real easy to do. I suggest everybody apply my methodology because it will work for you just as well as it has worked for me. 100% guaranteed. If you got any garden tractor, push mower problems, car trouble, truck problems, house problems, you name it, I got one guaranteed method to, well, absolutely fix everything. It's pretty simple. This is how you do it. You take a piece of shit like this, and you tell it 3 times. You gotta do it 3 times in a row. You say, "Don't be a turd, don't be a turd, don't be a turd," and then snap your fingers. And presto, it's kitchen magic. Just like that. Every problem you ever had with your poo turd, solved. You just fucking replace it. I just got this guy, I don't know, maybe 3 weeks ago, something like that. It's used. I bought it used. It's got 151 hours on it, I think. And well, it's a John Deere D130. Real nice shape. I mean, I paid $500 for it. Give a quick walk around here. Nothing special. Pretty standard stuff. But this thing's real nice shape for the money. I can't complain. I'm gonna wait till this truck is done. All right, that truck's going now. Forget what I was saying. Yeah, I got it used. $500. It's got like 151 hours on it. Just as you see it is you know, what I paid for, what I got, what I received. And yeah, I mean, so far so good. This is going to replace that, and that guy is now going to go up for sale. I'll do a separate video and I'll put it on Craigslist or maybe eBay. I don't know, whatever. It's time for somebody else to get 10 years out of it. I mean, it's still a good tractor. Engine knocks. I'm sure the engine's knocking. So, I mean, whoever wants to dick around with that can. Or just run it the way it is, because, hell, that's what I've been doing. You know what I mean? It's still turnkey drive tractor. So, hey, just turnkey and run the damn thing. But, yeah, this one's a little naked, though. I don't have any attachments. I mean, the mower deck. But other than that, yeah, I'm going to have to get at least a dozer blade for it, which is available for this. I was surprised when I was looking up the attachments for this. Yeah, there's a 2-stage snowblower, and well, which, you know, I don't need, but you know what, I would trade. Well, I would sell that, you know, try and get my money out of that, and then I would happily buy a snowblower for this, because why stand and walk when you can sit and ride, right? You know, that's a 2-stage. The blower that's available for this is a 2-stage. This is a 28-inch, and the blower that's available for this, I don't remember what size it is, but it's bigger. Not that I need bigger for what I do, but hey, whatever. Bigger is bigger. Anywho, I just thought I'd make this quick little video here, just to show you all how to fix a tractor once and for all. Anyway, I get a kick out of it every time I think about it. But yeah, so there you go. I think it's a pretty good deal. At least I'm not complaining. I mean, I've looked at them online. For most of them have more hours for more money than what I paid for this. It's a I did look it up. I had to fight to find it too. The year, it's a 2011. So it's older, but you know, by the hours, it's not old at all. And this thing should go 500 hours easy before it even thinks about giving you much problems. And the deck is in real good shape too. So, you know, like I said, $500. I don't see nothing to complain about here. And as far as I'm concerned, I got a really good deal. So, all right, I'm gonna wrap this up. Just thought I'd show you real quick. Cheers.